Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to configure customer and supplier specific forms against your customer and supplier records. Now I'm just going to pick on one of my suppliers, and these guys have basically said unless you put your customer reference number on the purchase order documents that you send to us, we're going to take our time in getting the goods out to you. So what you'll see now is under the document options tab, there's now a couple new buttons. The first one is the little edit button to say that you want a specific form for this particular document for this particular supplier. And I should just point out as well, if you've already done some editing on your main purchase order form, you can import the layout and use that as the basis, but we'll keep this simple. And what we want to do is just put a little label on our document just to say that this is our customer reference number as far as our supplier is concerned. So we'll just put in custrefno and make something up. And so what that's basically going to do is that when we output this purchase order just for this particular supplier, it's going to have this new field on there to let my supplier know that my customer number is that. So we'll just save that and close out. You'll see now that the delete option has become available because I do have a document against that particular item. We'll just save and close. And I should point out as well that even though I'm showing you in the context of a supplier, the concept is identical from a customer point of view. So what I'll do now is I'll just put in a very quick and dirty purchase order to that supplier, and we'll just choose an item there and just process as is. So when we process, what will happen is our specific customer reference number will be printed on the purchase order because it's using the purchase order for this particular supplier. So that's how that all works. And just before I go, I'll just show you another thing that you need to do or may need to do is in the purchase order settings, there's now a new option to allow override. So that's the trigger that says if there's a specific form for this transaction against the supplier, then use that form. If not, just use the standard form. So that's the way that all works. So thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing Sybiz.